The commit message that I just made was actually not very good. Let me go fix that. So here I'm saying, let's see, highlight all text fields, but I meant to say input fields. So I'm going to fix that with commit reword. This commit has already been pushed. Yeah, I don't care. Let's go all input fields. Okay, and we'll push with force to the remote. Where is the remote? Text fields. Input fields. Okay, and the exact commit hash doesn't actually matter too much. Let's go back to the code, to the to-do list. Change the key on the texts and the inputs highlighting to be unique to the highlight. With height, let's see, we also want rotation. Rotation. And I'm seeing a little bit, trash the two files. I did not mean to do that. Can I, there we go, back to here. Okay, so this key here and this key here. If I change the order of the list of texts, then a different text will get the index. Like if I just have two texts, then those two texts will get indexes 0 and 1. And if I flip them around, then index 0 will be on the other one, the other text, and that's bad. It's better if the key is like follows the text input. So here I should grab, just for making the key, I'm going to grab out of the text, the X, the Y, the width, the height, and the rotation is already there. So keys, X, Y, width, height. And then here we should be able to do X, X, Y, Y, width, width, height, height, rotation, rotation. And then same thing here. We should be able to, oh, I don't have an inner let inside of here, but that's okay, I can make one. And this whole thing is making me think like that I could probably modify how the data is extracted, like what it looks like when it comes out of the PDF data extractor thingy. And whoops, wrong spot. X, Y, width, height. I'm pretty sure inputs have that. Now I'm second guessing myself. So let me go look here for extract text. Extract input has an X, Y, X2, Y2, and a width and a height. Okay, so it does have X, Y, width, and height. Okay. X, Y, width, height, and there is no rotation. So here I'll do X, X, Y, Y, width, width, height, height. We can see there's a lot of overlap here between these two things. I think maybe I could come up with, like, finesse the data so that the texts and the inputs have similar enough form. Oh wow, I didn't do this right at all. Keys, and let's put input right there. Uh-oh, what is wrong here? Same thing. Text. Okay, cool. And the upshot is there, you can't really tell. Oh well. Oh yeah, I noticed something interesting here. There's both a text and an input in the same, like they're overlapping. I was wondering if that happened at all, and yes, it does. And this is for the background of the month, day, year, where you put in a date. And I guess it's, yeah, because you might use month, day, year, or if you're from somewhere else, or maybe in the military, you use a different ordering here, like year, month, day. Anyway, there's probably other places where that shows up, but now I know for sure that it definitely does show up. There's text and input highlighting in the same spot. Maybe I should add a to-do to, I don't know exactly what the to-do would be, but like to make the input and the text look the same as each other. And maybe it's not actually useful, but it sure seems like it might be, because there's so much code that's like nearly duplicated for the highlighting of those things. So like the highlight text and the highlight input look nearly the same. There's the rotation that's slightly different. The input could have a rotation inside of it, and then it would be literally character for character identical. Well, except for the name of the function. Yeah, not sure. Change key on texts and inputs. I did that one. So I think I'll just add that. Change key to be determined by input or text. Determined, derived, uniquely derived by from input or text. That seems good. And let's see what the next to do is. Only highlight the input under the mouse. Okay, I'll try that next.